very good evening to one and all. I, on behalf of PD Hindhuja National Hospital, would like to present a topic on the following topic. PD Hindhuja National Hospital is a 520-bedded multi-speciality tertiary care trust hospital based out of Mumbai. Our hospital has two units, Mahim unit and Khar unit. I belong to the Mahim unit. The accident and emergency department at our hospital is a 9-bedded unit with state-of-the-art facility. It is one of the busiest hospital department with an average daily footfall of 60 patients. And to ensure smooth patient care activities, we have to have effective stock management. So how did our project basically started? So we started getting a lot of problems of stock unavailability at very frequent intervals. There were certain drugs that were over-indented. There were certain drugs that were under-indented. We started getting stock variances during our inventory audit. So to understand this pain point better, we did a baseline project where we studied two aspects. First, the inventory control. Second, the stock utilization. In inventory control, we studied the indenting process, the inventory control and the check process, the stock order level. Whereas in stock utilization and depletion, we studied the patient billing system. To give you all a gist of the patient billing system, every patient who comes to our hospital in the casualty department is attended by a nursing staff. All the services and consumables availed by the patient is documented in a chart sheet, which is then sent to the billing counter for voucher generation. So we studied 480 such chart sheet, and to our surprise revelation that we came to know that there were 16% and 23% of billing error in this OPD and IPD chart sheet. And the value which is approximately costed was around 3 lakh rupees, making an average loss of 92,000 per month. I mean, we started with something different, our problem was different, and we revealed something else. So now we came to the conclusion that the pain points that we are facing was not due to the stock management, was due to stock utilization and depletion, which was thereby causing a loss of revenue to the hospital. So first, using a fishbone analysis, we tried to find out the root cause of these errors. So what we came to know that 60% of this error was caused by two major factors. First, chart sheet related error, and second was manual error. Then we did a process mapping where we mapped all the inputs against their respective outputs, which gave us 21 major inputs. Then using a cause and effect matrix, we shortlisted 8 major prioritization metrics, which has the highest impact on our process. Then on these 8 major inputs, we did an FME analysis, and using an RPN scale, we shortlisted 4 inputs on which we formulated our action plan. The 4 major inputs were chart sheet preparation, nursing staff, OPD billing and IPD billing. Now coming to the remedy. So earlier, this was the chart sheet which was used in our department. So as you can see, it is totally manual based. Lot of overwriting issue, handwriting legibility. This is what it looks to like earlier. So what we did, we redesigned our chart sheet in a way that all the high flow moving items are included in this new chart sheet. And also we designed the chart sheet in a manner that it is documented in a service code as what it is in the system. We also gave a column for staff accountability who prepares this chart sheet. Then we trained all the respective staff in how to use this chart sheets. Then we introduced certain interventions, like whenever a staff is using high value item or high consumption item, they have to highlight this item so that the billing clerk gets to know that this item needs to be charged first. Second was OPD billing, in which we introduced the staff would tally all the voucher item, not numerically but serially. In IPD, the IPD clerk will identify each and every item whenever he is charging and should put a tick mark against each of the item and should sign at the bottom. So how did we log this improvement? We introduced a daily IPD and OPD chart sheet audit, which is done by our nursing in charge and our executive of the department. A reconciliation audit is done on a daily basis to ensure that all the patient coming to the casualty is billed. Any discrepancy which is observed is directly attended and closed right at the moment, and all this is documented on a live Google Sheet. And we updated our billing policy with regular refresher training. We also formulated a new chart sheet, which is a self-carbon copy. It is sent to the floor where the patient is admitted. This is what our live billing sheet looks like. So this is where the discrepancy is documented and the corrective action is documented. Similar types of improvement has already been implemented in OT department, DSA department, and imaging department. And it is already in pipeline in endoscopy and dialysis department. Now coming to the tangible benefits. So after the implementation of this project, we got a total error of around 2,21,000 rupees in all these 6 months, but this also has been recovered. So what earlier we used to have 92,000 per month has been effective net loss zero becomes zero. The present effective loss is zero. The intangible benefit. Due to the implementation of this, our process has become streamlined, the billing error percentage has reduced, the charge sheet signature compliance has reduced, we have introduced multiple checkpoints. Now if you can see, the error percentage is still there, but the error which we are seeing right now, that also has been recovered. The error percentage is there because it is still manual based system and we are in a process of making this system automated. So that is one of the con of this implementation. So on this note, I would like to end my presentation. I would like to thank my organization, CAHO and QIMPRO for giving me this platform. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. It was a wonderful presentation. You finished on time. I don't
Thank
have
you.
to ring the bell. So that shows the discipline and how you have streamlined your project as well as your presentation. So first of all, compliments to all your team. So this is, you started with something very basic, and it's wonderful to see that you have taken baby steps to do that. And also, my question was about to come in, and you gave me the answer about streamlining it by automation or using a technology.
Yes, that is already in process.
So that was the question which I wanted to ask you, how, because still it was some manual things which I'm, was seeing it. Wonderful presentation. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
No
ma'am.
more questions from my side.
Thank you.
Not a question actually. What she explained, I have also written the same thing. Like finally, you have come with an automated system now.
Yes. Yes, we are. That is in pipeline. That will be implemented in the course of time.
Okay. Anyway, very nice, wonderful that you could. It's a small unit you have taken, like only the emergency unit, and it's easy for you to identify what exactly went wrong. And,
Yes.
the whole analysis has been done. Congratulations, it's nice.
Thank you.